What if I told you that manifestation is not magic? It's actually backed by science. There's a hidden formula that explains why some people attract success effortlessly while others struggle for years. In this video, I'm revealing the science behind manifestation, how your thoughts, energies, and brain waves influence your reality. And most importantly, I'll show you how to use this knowledge to attract success effortlessly. Hi, I'm Dr. Shirish Patil, and I've spent years studying the subconscious mind, quantum physics, and success psychology. Today, we are diving deep into the real science of manifestation. No fluff, no vague theories, just practical, proven steps to align with success. Stay till the end because I'll also share a powerful brainwave technique that reprograms your subconscious for unstoppable success. Comment below, have you ever experienced a coincidence that felt like a manifestation? Your brain is a powerful manifestation machine. It constantly filters reality based on beliefs and expectations. This is called Reticular Activating System. Here's the truth most people miss. You're not seeing the world as it is. You're seeing it as you believe it to be. And your brain is wired to prove you right. The Reticular Activating System acts like a search engine in your brain. If you focus on success, opportunities start appearing everywhere. But if you focus on struggle, your brain will filter anything that contradicts that belief. Here's how it works. Reticular Activating System is a network of neurons in your brainstem that filters millions of stimuli you receive every second. It decides what's relevant based on what you believe, what you focus on, what you emotionally repeat. It's like programming your mind's internal Google. Here's a real-world example. Ever decided to buy a red car and suddenly you see red cars everywhere? That's your reticular activating system in action. The red cars were always there, but only after you told your brain this matters did it start filtering them in. You apply that to success, love, wealth, or growth. If you constantly think, I never catch a break, your reticular activating system will hide opportunities and show you setbacks. But if you believe, I always attract the right people and ideas, your brain will spot and deliver the evidence to support that belief. Remember, manifestation plus neuroscience is equal to power in our life. To reprogram your reticular activating system, set clear intentions. Repeat it with emotion. Visualize it daily. Actively seek signs of it happening. Your brain follows your focus. Focus on what you want and your reality begins to shift. Start setting clear positive intentions. Use affirmations to train your reticular activating system. Say, I'm always in the right place at the right time. Surround yourself with success triggers, books, mentors, vision boards, and success stories. Have you ever noticed this in your own life? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's talk about quantum energy, the science behind how thoughts influence your external reality. Your thoughts are magnetic. Scientists have proven that everything is made of energy and vibrations. Your thoughts send out energetic frequency which attracts matching experiences. This is called the observer effect. Let's break it down. Everything is energy. Quantum physics teaches us that at the most basic level, everything in the universe is made up of energy, not matter. Even what looks like solid, your body, your home, your phone, is just vibrating energy in a particular form. Let's break it down further. What appears solid to your eyes is actually 99.999% empty space. Atoms, The building blocks of everything are made up of a tiny nucleus surrounded by rapidly moving electrons, held together by energy. So what you call matter is just energy vibrating at a slower, denser frequency. So what this means to you, your thoughts also energy, your emotions also energy, your intentions, yes, are energy also. This means your energy attracts with the energy around you, constantly creating, influencing, and attracting your reality. You're not just made up of energy, you're a living magnet, constantly vibrating, attracting, and influencing your world. Now here's the mind-blowing part. Your thoughts also carry energy. When you think something repeatedly, especially with emotion, you're sending out a specific vibrational frequency into the quantum field. This is where the observer effect comes in. The observer effect states that the act of observing something actually changes its behavior. In simple terms, what you focus on with your thoughts and feelings starts to shift and show up in your reality. So if you're constantly thinking with faith, joy, abundance, and gratitude, you're tuning yourself to those frequencies. And guess what? The universe begins to match that vibration and send you similar experiences. This is not magic. It's science plus mindset, which equals to manifestation. Remember, you're not just a participant in your life. You are a creator through energy, thought, and intention. Here's a 3-minute brainwave reprogramming technique on how to reprogram your mind faster. Your subconscious mind is most programmable when your brain enters the theta state, which happens before sleep and right after waking up in the morning. Let's break this down further. Your brain operates in different wave states depending on your level of consciousness. Beta is alert, thinking, and analyzing state. Alpha is a relaxed and meditative state. Theta is a deep relaxation, a gateway to the subconscious, and delta is a deep sleep state. Why is theta so powerful? When you are in the theta state, between the sleep and wakefulness, your conscious mind slows down and your subconscious becomes highly receptive. This happens right after you wake up, just before you fall asleep, during deep meditation. At this moment, your brain acts like a sponge, absorbing whatever you feed it. Thoughts, beliefs, affirmations, and visualizations. Want to rewire your beliefs? Do this during theta time. Before sleep, repeat affirmations. Visualize your goals. Listen to positive audio or subconscious reprogramming tracks. Right after waking up, avoid checking your mobile phone. Set your intention. Speak or write powerfully I am statements. Meditate or visualize with emotion. What you plant in your subconscious during the theta grows into your reality. Here's the nighttime manifestation hack. Before sleep, visualize your success as if it's already happening. Listen to affirmations or subliminal messages. For example, wealth flows to me effortlessly. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every night. By doing this consistently, you'll start rewiring your brain for success. Will you try this technique tonight? Comment yes if you're ready to reprogram your subconscious. If you found this valuable, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dive content on manifestation and success. For a free quantum manifestation guide, click the link in the description below. And remember, manifestation isn't just about thinking positively. It's about aligning your thoughts, energy, and action for success.